Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. It is day 7 of December and day 7, well, door 7 of the LEGO Friends Advent Calendar. Here it is. It has a paintbrush on it. Maybe it's going to have something good for Emma. But Andrea has joined us today to open this up and see what's going on inside. What surprise do we have? I've ripped that door. Let's see. It is, oh my goodness! It is something for Emma. It's like a miniature of her camera, like that big buildable camera that we made from the big friendship set. That's so cool. Oh, Emma is going to be so out of her mind when she sees this. Let's get it built and then we'll show her. So let me see, where do we start? We're going to start with these big long purpley pieces, the 4 stud skinny ones, 4x1s, and we're going to build up the body with the white pieces. And it's going to need quite a magnificent lens on it, so that's going to be held on with that. And oh, come on. There we go. I need to angle it properly. I can't just sit there trying to jam it on. And then we've got the pieces along the top, nice rounded over bits, and there's a spot here. There's a spot here to put a flash on. Is there any viewfinder on this one? I suppose this, which doubles as the hanger, could be the viewfinder as well. And this over here is the flash. That's so cute. That's so clever. I can't get that on straight. There we go. That'll do. We've got a nice smooth piece on the top too. That's such a slick looking little flash. And on the other side, we have got a single black stud, and now we need to put the big fancy pantsy lens on the front. And why is that not going on? Oh, because I'm trying to shove it on the wrong side. Oh, good work, Ellie. And now it'll go on beautifully. Look at that. That is so cool. Oh, this is why that didn't go on properly, because I forgot to put this stud on. That's better. Now it sits up properly. That is an awesome little build. Oh, look, I knew Emma would be here. She's busy taking photos of everything. Should we tell her it doesn't actually work and it's just a Christmas tree ornament? Nah, let's not tell her. Let's not ruin her Christmas. Now let's put a piece of ribbon through here so we can hang it on the Christmas tree. We can add it to our other ornaments. That's beautiful. All right, girls, take it away. Hang it on the Christmas tree. Oh, Andrea's got it. What about you, Emma? Are you going too? Oh, there she goes. All right, off to the Christmas tree. Looks like Emma fought Andrea for this, and Emma won the rights to be able to hang it on the tree. It looks so pretty hanging there. Oh, Emma's gone. All right. Oh, she's back. Great, thanks for that. We are ready for door number 8 tomorrow, so I will see you back here tomorrow. Bye.